Hello there, come in and have a seat. I'll get the paperwork ready. So we spoke briefly on the phone. We are not Whittington, Bealey and Lowfield Accountancy. Established 41 years. A reputable company serving the local community. So that's your welcome pack. And these for me, your documents. So you're a self-employed optometrist, I believe. Okay, well yes, we do serve a lot of optometrists. Okay, so going forward, our fee will be £600, professional service, reputable, honest, and will save you as much cash as possible when it comes to your tax bills. Is this okay? Right, let me just check your identification. So we have passport. I see you've come prepared. If there is anything else I require, I will cover that. UK driving licence. How long have you had your licence for? And your national insurance number. Thank you. I'll get these photocopied and back to you today. Right. So we have a few questions to run through, and this is going to help with submitting your books. So first the basics, your full name please. Date of birth. And have your address here. Is this the most up-to-date address? So, are you a homeowner? Mortgage? Joint or single? How long have you been at the property for? And when is the mortgage renewal up for renewal? Excellent. Now, how long have you been practicing as an optometrist? Okay, and when did you become self-employed? So you're completely self-employed, you don't do employed and self-employed combined, just self, right? Good, makes life easier for us. Right, how many days of the week do you work? Just as a general guideline, what were your earnings the last tax year? So 24 to 25, beginning of April. Very nice. And estimated outgoings, please. Do you do any work from home at all? Half a day a week, just paperwork, right, okay. I assume you have a vehicle. Is this the vehicle you use to go to work and come back? Okay, what percentage of vehicle use is for work, travelling to and from? Okay, make and model of the vehicle, please. Mercedes driver. Well, well, they are some of the biggest you-know-whats on the road. But I assume you are one of the more considerate Mercedes drivers. So moving on, approximate value of the vehicle, please. Right, is that on hire purchase or PCP? Okay, what is the monthly payment on that? You see, there is your biggest mistake. It's a huge amount to go out each month just to have an ostentatious car. But that is your choice. When did you take the deal out, please? And the length of this contract. Excellent, so we will be able to claim back a portion of your vehicle payments. What about your insurance payment, the last payment you made? And do you know what you paid for the road tax? Excellent. Excuse me. So because you work from home, there are a few questions regarding your bill. So please tell me what you pay each month or every 3 months for your gas, electricity, water and food, please. And water is for 6 months. And what do you spend each month on your food bill? Modest, good. So we covered insurance, road tax. Do you currently owe anything in terms of a student loan? Do you own a credit card? Do you invest in the stock market? And do you have an ISA account? Who is that with, please? What is the total amount in your ISA? Who is your current account with, please? This is where all your payments go in and out. So earnings, outgoings. Right, and sundries. How much would you say you spend, let's say, for the year on work equipment? What about your work attire? So shirts, ties, blazers, that kind of thing, shoes, trousers. Just a ballpark figure. Okay, stationery bills. Laptop. Did you purchase a laptop? Do you use a laptop for work? Okay, I see you wear glasses. That's another thing you can claim for. You obviously need to be able to see to do your job properly, more than anything else. What did you pay for your glasses and when did you have them? January this year, right, 25. Do you wear contact lenses? Right, any other outgoings that you can think of? If anything comes to mind at any point, just let us know, please. In the last tax year, did you receive any lump sum payments? This could be from your bank, inheritance. You don't invest in the stock market. And of course, to practice, you have to pay your professional fees. So this must be included as well. So your licence fee, what do you pay each year? Or should we say, what did you pay in the last tax year for licence? So that's renewal, okay. What about your indemnity insurance? What's that payment, please? Okay, direct debit each month, lovely. And who are you with? And finally, any side hustles? So do you do any buying or selling on platforms such as Amazon, eBay? Okay, it doesn't exceed £1,000 incoming, does it? Lovely. And any other businesses that you're involved in? Yes, if you do anything on the side that is cash in hand, I don't want to know about it, thank you. Keep that to yourself. I trust you. Those need to be photocopied. Right, let me go through the documentation that you brought with you today. So this is your car payment statement. Mercedes, start date, duration, payment history, lovely, and it's all dated. So I think I did my eyes testing. Well, you have come prepared. You have your previous P60s here, that's it. P60 end of year, lovely. That's quite an old one, isn't it? have a paper trail there, lovely. That's what we like to see. So, P60s. Yep, and you have your essay 302s. Brilliant. Do you have 22 to 23? Pay, pensions, profit, income tax, class 4 national insurance contributions. '23 to '24, end of year 5th of April. Profits, which tax is due, income tax, bank interest, income tax, national insurance, super. Oh, this is 21 to 22. Well, yes, we are very meticulous here. Leave no stone unturned. Lovely bank statements from April 24 to April 25, lovely. I'll go through those in a second, and privately. SA 302. Your private pension details here. Royal London pension plan number. Okay, previous statements there, lovely. So each month you contribute. Excellent. Okay, and some receipts. So we have equipment. Right, do you have any receipts for your fuel. Okay, not to worry, I'll go through your statements and have a look when you topped your vehicle up. So we have slit lamp, handheld ophthalmoscope, lens wipes. Check this is relevant to your work. Ultraviolet lights, UV blocking lenses, night vision goggles, lovely. Use eBay as well, excellent. Yeah, that's fine. I'll go through all this in private. Submit everything. Now, are you registered online with the government portal? So this is where you can keep track of everything. Importantly, it is where you can make your payments. There'll be 2 payments. January next year, and then the following July, you have to the 31st of each month to make the payments. If you miss the payment deadline, there'll be daily charges added on, so please ensure that doesn't happen. Lovely. Lovely, so I'm going to get to work on your books. When everything's done, I will be in touch. And in the meantime, if I need anything further from you, I'll also be in touch about that. So, any questions? Super, let me get to work then, and I'm sure we'll be talking soon. Oh, payment will be sent to you. I'll send you an email invoice. Just confirm your email address, please. Okay, thank you. Right, bank statements first. Right, April 24. £20 at Love Honey. You're certainly not claiming that back. May 24. Goodness me, £200 at Five Guys. What the hell was you eating? Right, fuel, work equipment, Sainsbury's bill, and incomings there. Boots, M&S. groceries. Stationery. Money in, money out. So there's a lot of dining out expenses here. Pizza Express, Harvester, Papa John's, Domino's Pizza, McDonald's, 3 occasions. Goodness me. Surprised there's not anything left at McDonald's. No wonder the McFlurry machine is always broken. Confirm if any of these luncheons are work related. I do not need receipts. Groceries, summary, ins and outs. Right, I think that's enough for today. I am going to the pub.